Schools in Lalitpur have started to reopen from Monday after receiving permission from the Lalitpur Metropolitan City Office. It's already been a week since schools in Mahalakshmi municipality in Lalitpur resumed operations, with students physically attending classes. Many schools outside the Kathmandu Valley have also resumed classes. After the Education Ministry gave the local levels the authority to decide on their own whether to resume studies, schools which had been closed since March due to the COVID-19 pandemic have started to reopen. Citing that online classes have not been effective and more than 70% of the students do not have access to online classes, many local levels have given permission to reopen schools, also saying that the threat of the spread of coronavirus has declined in recent days. Educationists opine that the decision to reopen educational institutions should be taken by giving top priority to health security. Although new cases of COVID-19 seem to be low in recent days, the risks still persist. As the daily infection rate is still around 15%, the Health Ministry has warned not to hurry in reopening schools. Some schools that had reopened, neglecting the Health Ministry's warning, have closed again. Surya Prakash Secondary School in Panchapuri, Surkhet had to be closed again after 11 of its teachers were tested positive for COVID-19. Schools in Dolpa and other districts also had to be closed due to the spread of coronavirus. The Health Ministry says schools should not reopen just yet as the risk of contracting COVID-19 is still high. The Education Ministry, which has a trend of interfering in the local level's area of authority, citing lack of federal law, meanwhile has backed out of its responsibility to decide on whether to reopen schools by giving the authority to the local levels.